In the shadowed heart of St. Thomas, Jamaica, there whispered tales of a spectral force known as Zaga, a mischievous and malevolent Duppy said to haunt the quaint village of Yallahs. Zaga was no ordinary spirit. Legend had it that he was a mirror image of any person he encountered, tricking them by mimicking their appearance and voice before leading them astray into the night. The troubles began one humid, moonlit evening when Ezra, an elderly fisherman known for his boisterous laugh and kind eyes, was returning from the sea. As he trudged along the sandy path, his lantern casting long shadows, he heard a voice calling out to him, his own voice.
Ezra, come this way.
Bewildered and curious, Ezra followed the voice, only to find himself circling back to the same spot multiple times. It was then he realized he was being toyed with by Zaga. By the time Ezra returned to his cottage, dawn was breaking, and the whole village learned of his eerie encounter. The village elder, Mother Marva, decided it was time to take action. Known for her deep knowledge of Obeah and spiritual matters, Mother Marva called a meeting under the ancient cotton tree in the village square.
Gathered under the sprawling branches, the villagers listened intently as I explained that Zaga was a lost soul, a Duppy who had died tragically and was now bound to the earth by unresolved grievances. To banish Zaga and restore peace, we would need to perform a cleansing ritual that would guide his spirit to rest.
The plan was set for the following night. The villagers prepared offerings of white rum, breadfruit, and salt, items believed to appease troubled spirits. They also crafted a large effigy from straw and old clothes, intending it to serve as a vessel for the Duppy to possess during the ritual. As night enveloped the village, the air thick with the scent of burning pimento leaves, the villagers formed a circle around the effigy, placed at the very spot where Ezra had first encountered Zaga. Mother Marva began chanting in a rhythmic tone, calling forth the spirit with an ancient incantation. Gradually, a chilling wind began to swirl around the effigy, which started to shake violently. Ezra, come this way. The effigy mimicked in a voice that sent shivers down the spine of every onlooker. But Mother Marva was undeterred. She continued her incantations, louder and more forceful, as the villagers joined in, their unified voices rising into the night. With a final thunderous cry from the crowd, Mother Marva doused the effigy in white rum and set it aflame. A howling gust swept through the square, extinguishing every torch and lantern. When the villagers relit their lights, the effigy was reduced to ashes and the unsettling presence was gone. In the days that followed, the village of Yallahs experienced a profound peace. Ezra and the others no longer heard their echoes in the night, and the eerie feeling of being watched or followed had vanished.
Mother Marva reminded the villagers that Zaga's spirit was now at rest, having found the resolution it had sought through their collective efforts.
The village had not only rid itself of a haunting, but had also bonded more deeply through their shared ordeal, each person now carrying the tale of the night they faced down a Duppy and won.